Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 8,000 watt natural gas ready tri-fuel portable generator. This unit runs on gasoline, propane, or natural gas straight out of the box, and includes a propane hose and 25-foot natural gas hose kit. With a reliable Champion 459cc engine, providing up to 8,000 running watts, and a loaded power panel, this unit is perfect wherever you need a reliable source of power. Run this generator outdoors with an added level of safety with Champion's CO Shield, which automatically shuts down the engine if carbon monoxide starts to build up in the operating area. Champion's Easy Start dial gives you easy access to all the controls you need, and the convenient electric start takes the confusion out of starting an engine. And during an emergency, it's good to have options for fuel, so next time there's a power outage, you can run this unit on gasoline, propane, or your home's natural gas supply to power your major household appliances and keep you out of the dark. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to safely access the generator. Attach the wheel kit. Add oil to the engine. Connect the battery. Move the unit outside. Add gasoline. Connect your propane, or connect your natural gas supply. Start the generator, and plug in your desired equipment. Champion's innovative 8,000 watt natural gas ready tri-fuel generator. Portable, versatile, and dependable.
Be ready for anything with DuroMax's XP12000EH, the 12,000 watt dual fuel portable generator. Nicknamed the Beast, this unit provides the power normally found in home standby units, but in a portable package. Offering power and versatility, the XP12000EH is perfect for powering your home's essential appliances and even central AC through any power outage, storm, or emergency event. You can also easily transport this unit to the job or campsite. This dual fuel monster runs on either gasoline or propane, which provides the freedom and flexibility of fuel choice. While gasoline is a tried and true fuel option, liquid propane lasts longer, costs less, and has a longer storage life and won't gum up the carburetor. With DuroMax dual fuel capability, the choice is yours. Designed for safe and easy operation, the XP12000EH features a user-friendly electric start that's as simple as starting your car. It's also equipped with an optional recoil start and features a low oil shutoff sensor to protect the engine. This powerhouse generator is powered by a 457cc, 18 horsepower DuroMax OHV engine that feeds the fully loaded power panel, allowing the user to pull up the maximum 12,000 watts of power. The power panel includes two 120 volt 20 amp outlets, one 120 volt 30 amp twist lock outlet, a 120 or 240 volt 30 amp outlet, and a 50 amp heavy duty outlet to power the most demanding needs. The panel also features a voltmeter, circuit breakers, low oil indicator, idle control, and DuroMax's unique MX2 RV switch, which doubles your 120 volt amperage for heavy loads. With it, you can get maximum power from each 120 volt receptacle and have the option of operating at both 120 and 240 volts simultaneously. The Beast heavy-duty all-metal frame has fully isolated motor mounts and an oversized noise-reducing muffler with a built-in spark arrestor for allowing smooth and quiet operation. The XP12000EH is easy to transport over any terrain with the included handle kit and runs on solid fill tires. Like all DuroMax generators, this unit is built with all copper windings that last for years, and it's covered by our 3-year factory warranty. The XP12000EH is a fully loaded workhorse that can power through any situation and keep you going. DuroMax, powering everyone, anywhere.
A powerful generator ideal for home backup. This is the WGen9500 generator by Westinghouse, an open-frame portable generator producing up to 12,500 peak watts and up to 9,500 running watts. The heavy-duty Westinghouse engine, constructed with a durable cast-iron sleeve, will run up to 12 hours on a full tank of gas. Easily connect with 220-volt duplex household outlets, the 30-amp transfer switch-ready twist lock outlet, or the 50-amp outlet to take advantage of the full power of the generator. The push-button start, remote start key fob, and host of built-in safety features make it a smart, versatile solution to your portable power needs. The WGen9500 generator by Westinghouse. Power when you need it, power where you need it.